So we're in a 3-bet pot here with top set, which is pretty nice. Right, and we see a very chunky bet here from our opponent. So we're going to raise, and we're just going to get all the money in, hopefully. Okay, so we're up against a flush draw. Boom! Come on. Nice flop for ace-10 hearts. So we're going to sneak in a little bet. We're going to check this turn card. Kings on the left. We're going to c-bet. And we see a lead now from a small lead, like a block bet when we river the nuts. Obviously, we're going to raise. You know what? I think I'm just going to make a very small raise here. I think we want to keep our range a bit wide and not be nutted when we raise it. So we can get called sometimes by non-flush hands as well. So a small raise there helped us to get paid there by a top pair. Whereas if we polarized ourselves, then we can only really get called by flushes as well, which I don't think he has too often, especially with that bet sizing on the river. Okay, this looks like a fun flop here for us with the 5-8 hearts. Without any direct outs to like nutted hands, I think I lean more towards check calling than check raising. So I fully expect his ace-x to continue barreling on the turn. So when he checks back, and one of he's got a hand like pocket sevens, pocket eights. So we're just going to come in for a small block bet here, hoping to somehow get called by those hands. And did get called. Wow. So I'm really surprised to see him check back the ace-x there. Okay, very surprised to see him do that. Queens on this board. Meanwhile, I'm just going to 3-bet the ace queen. We're going to check back on this board. And we're going to check twice. Now, we are obviously going to raise the river. Very nice. We had middle pair. Yeah, I didn't want to delay c-bet there because our range is so weak when we take that line that we can just absolutely get wrecked with check raises on the turn. So yeah, that's the kind of the rationale for checking twice there. We're just going to flat tens on the left and check back ace deuce on the right. Check call tens on the left. Could be potentially an awkward spot on the river here with tens. So we're going to call twice. Praying for a check back. This spot really sucks. I don't have time bank. Okay. Nice hand. And meanwhile, we're going to squeeze queens on the left. Right, tough spots here on both tables. This min 3-bet is what I'm quite afraid of, as it could be very nutted. Okay, we're going to be brave here, and we're just going to go all in with queens. Get slap caught. And we're in last place. Yeah, this min 4-bet is like nearly always at least kings or aces. Okay, let's move on. Gonna cold 4-bet here with ace king. And we're all in again. Okay, so we managed to get our stack back by getting lucky there and winning it twice. Okay, so we see a pretty amazing flop here with 8-7 suited. I think we're going to check here. We're going to defend 7-6 suited on the right. And I think we're going to come in for a delay c-bet now with 8-7. Wow. And he managed to find a big raise to target exactly the type of hand that we have. He's seeing all in. Oh, this is going to be a very painful fold here. But we were drawing extremely thin. So ace-5 suited, we're going to come in for the 4-bet. I think he's going to have a lot of big draws on this flop. I don't see us folding here if he does jam. He does min click it, and so I don't see us folding here in a 4-bet pot. We've pretty much got no draw here. Right, I'm going to go with my read. He's got a set of tens. Nice hand. Let's see if we can win a stack here with kings. Okay, safe flop for kings. So just went for a small c-bet and we got snap called. I think on this turn card, we're going to go for an overbet. If he jams, then I think we're beat. But he calls and then he bets $1. I don't feel like we're beat here. I think he has a hand like ace queen. My read is I don't think this is a misclick. Right, so we're going to go all in here, kings. Tough spot with ace queen of diamonds, I think. Okay, very nice. Okay, gonna c-bet ace king here. Two opponents. Don't expect these guys to raise too often with their top pairs. So hopefully we'll get a good chance to see turn and river here. So we're going to check back the turn. Not very happy with this river lead. Guess he's just repping a hand like queen jack, I guess. Okay, nice hand. Okay, to a flop of tens on the left. Tens on the left, we're going to check back. When he checks twice, we are going to start betting now. And it is showdown now. Nice hand. And kings. Oh wow. So queens, 3-bet, 4-bet. God damn it. Surely this has to be the bottom of my shoving range. Am I really going to fold queens here? I'm not folding queens here in this spot. We're all in. And we run into aces. Nice hand. How many coups have we been dealt here with queens? So yeah, definitely one of our worst sessions. I think we definitely ran into it a lot. Yeah, not saying that we didn't play bad as well in some of the hands. I don't think we played some of those three bet pots very well. Anyhow, showing it how it is. Hopefully things will improve in the next session. So until then, see you guys next time.